The last step in making a movie is to actually share it so that you can show it to other people. We have to get the movie out of iMovie. So we're going to share. The first thing you need to check is make sure that your music is the same length as your movie and that the volume is turned down so that it doesn't cover up the voices, which I'm doing here right now. You need to play it back and listen. You can also pull on the dots on the end of the audio timeline to make the music fade out and fade in. And then when you're done, let another student watch your movie and give you feedback, because sometimes you miss things other people will catch when they watch it. In the upper right corner of the program, there is a button that has a box with an arrow pointing up, and you've seen this symbol before. This is where you're going to go share the movie. So we're just going to make a file, and then we're going to go in and set up the way it's going to be saved. First, the main title, that's the name of your commercial. Remember to put your initials and block number at the end of the name so I know who it belongs to. You don't need a description. Then we're going to set the quality to high. We want both the audio and the video. So set it up just the way I showed you. Now you can see here, this tells you how long it plays and how big the file is. So if you're wondering about those things, you can check them right here. Alright, we're going to save it to our desktop. So now we're going to go to the next step, and it's going to open the dialog box. Go to the left and select the desktop to save it on, and then hit save. Now in the upper right corner, a circle appears. This is the progress bar for the movie. The program is processing the timeline. So when the pie fills in with white, it means the movie's done processing and it's been saved to your desktop, and you get a message that tells you it's been successfully shared. Alright, we're done. Now we're going to go share it with the teacher, me. So if you open your Microsoft Office email account and go up to the waffle in the program, you have a OneDrive where you can save things. So we're going to open it in a new tab. So we're going to go in there and upload our movie from the desktop we just made into your file section for your OneDrive. Right near the top there, beside the new button, there's an upload button. So you click on that and tell it you want to upload a file, and then you go to your desktop and select the movie and tell it to save it. Now it shows you a little progress bar here and tells you that it's uploading it and shows you when it'll be done. So wait until it has completely finished uploading before you share it with me. So there's two ways to share it with me. What you're going to do is send me an email that has a link in it so I can just go click on the link and watch it off of your OneDrive. So it's uploaded, it's done, and I clicked on that little share button, and I'm going to type in the person's name that I want to send it to. You can also include a message to the person if you'd like to. Not necessary. and we send it. That will be sent to my email. And then I can click on the link and watch your movie. There's a second way to save or share. You can go down to where the movie file is in your OneDrive. Click the blue check mark in the upper right corner. Right click on the file and tell it to share. And then go through the same process. Start typing the name in, the last name of the person, to find their email address. Select it, send it. You're done. You just made your first complete movie. Congratulations.